Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakasi Students Union kala penremjur ya Thmu ke Sorkar Jala ban penkelano ya ke Jaka Talasi Mynder ni ke Facilitation Center kemudian Umling Ribhoi District kum ke Jaka Bam dan ni ke Food Court ke ba Enseng dari Kompeni kum ke KFC, Starbucks, Subway bat kiwai pat. Kakru aku bor General Secretary ke KSU Samla Riven Najar kala ong ba ke KSU kam persya gini Kompeni ke bawan sengkam. Hendrai ke jing persya ke daya ke Jaka namar bukan ke Jaka kami lang ba ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arja khanreu. Kata ban sim jing khen nang ni ya ki breu ki banabar ki ban rong ha ke Jala. Kakarwo kala ong susu bah Assam West Bengal bat ki wei pat ke Jala ke than stay lamingi. Kila sedang ban khandra Mynder. Hendrai Jala Meghalaya pat ke Sorkar kale de Kongpong. Kakarwo aku bor la penkut de memaham ke Sorkar. Bakam day ban penkla Jaka Bam ya ke Facilitation Center.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.